Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode. This episode and this video is gonna be very special. Why? We're gonna meet Mr. Bolbaring guy, original Amunick Bolbaring.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Black Barbarian.
Hello.
How is everything there?
Everything is good.
Everything is good. Are you excited to meet Mr. Bolbaring?
I'm very excited to meet the Mecha Lion superstar, Mr. Amunick.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. Bye. We have reached in one coffee shop here. Actually, it is not a coffee shop. It is a restaurant. One suk, late suk. Gonna have something to eat because we have not eaten. So before we meet Amunick, Mr. Amunick, before we go cooking in the jungle, need to bamja something so you feel more happy, because food make you happy. Khasi people and Indian people, they know that food makes you happy. Let's go have something. Oh, what are you doing here?
Hello.
What are you doing here?
Oh, it's you.
Yes.
Bolbaring.
How come you have come here from Finland? My
Yes.
goodness.
Yes. I travel all the way from Finland.
All the way from
I
Finland.
heard they have good chicken rolls here.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
So you came to taste. That's very funny because I
was
came
walk-
also.
Many months I walked just to get the chicken roll from this place.
My goodness, small world I meet this guy. Mr. Black Barbarian.
Yes, here I am. Good to see you again.
Good to see you. I have seen that you have very beautiful mustache.
Thank you very much. I did it yesterday. Look, I
at
can
that
roll it.
one. My goodness.
Please join me.
Yes, I join you. Thank you very much.
To say I love you of my heart.
Now I don't know the words anymore.
Yeah, I do. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached in Amunick Village. What is the village name actually? Or town's name? I don't know, but at least we have a traffic here. This is called this is a Poi Rumdong. Oh no, Poi Rumbong village or town, if I'm not mistaken. But as you guys know, sometimes my village names, Yo Mau Long, Mau Yo Long, I mix it. It doesn't fit, it doesn't suit that much on my mouth, but as I always say, I'm practicing my Khasi language. Suki, slowly, like that. It's a busy village. Look around, busy village. Brother, look at around now. Look at around. I can turn like you, like that. Yes. That's how it looks here in Amunick Village. You can buy a chicken, nice chicken, fresh chicken broiler right there. You buy it. Wow, so many people around here. And it's a Tuesday. Is it a Tuesday or what? Yes. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year from President Lurshai Karmorvlong. Somebody is also having a party here, Christmas party. That side. Was it in that side or this side? Oh, here.
I'm actually buying all the stuff, man. You can turn around.
Okay. Here is Mr. Amunick. Okay, we stop here somewhere. How I could put this auto here? Can I put it like that only? My goodness. Where I can put it? This is a packed up village. Where is a parking place? Parking place is I found it somewhere here. Here, can you see? All right. So we have reached here in what was it name? Poirumbong Village. Welcome to Poirumbong, Amunick Village. Let's go see around. Okay, we are on. Are we on? Yes, now we are on. Poirumbong Village. What do you say?
Yeah, it looks kind of nice.
Looks nice.
It's a nice village.
Yes.
Sun is shining.
Sun is
People
shining.
are having a good time there. They seem relaxed and in good spirit.
Yes.
But there's something I gotta show you.
Okay, let's go. Show me. So I follow like a tourist. Here is a local guy. So that way. So here is a local guy, Black Barbarian. Show me around, and my phone is also ringing now. Hello. Who is there? Who is calling? What? Delivery? Oh, what is delivery there? Which one? I call my wife, okay? Ta. Kublai Shibun. Okay, so you wanted to show me something?
Yes.
What do you want to show me?
Please come. Follow me.
Okay, I follow you. I follow the local. That way?
This way, this way.
This way, okay.
There.
This one? Oh, so this is I think this is a deer or what? I think he doesn't talk much. Oh yes. You want to eat it or what?
No. I just wanted you to see it. Let's go find out.
Okay, let's go find out another things here. What's going on here in the Amunick Village? Christmas party is also running. And I lost Amunick somewhere. I saw it already. Here is also, wow, what a meat is here. Look at this one. Beef. Good beef. Is it good beef? Yes, best one, best. Biang. Okay. Let's go. Hello, Mr. Amunick. We will see when he comes. Oh, it's not there. Okay, this way. This way we are going. Yes. Oh.
I know you from the YouTuber.
Oh, thank you. Yes, Mr. Amunick. Good to see you. Good. Oh yeah, this side.
1, 2, 3.
Mother, na.
Mother is here. Grandmother. Your sisters. Ah, yeah. You all look the same.
Okay, now we have some water also.
Yeah.
Bianco. And
So
we
where
go-
to now?
That's it.
That side, no?
To the river side.
All right.
We're gonna go to the river?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So we're gonna cook there.
Yeah.
All right.
The river is called Umyam.
Umyam.
That particular place, there's a particular place there, like that bridge you cross, remember? That's called Dwarksui.
Dark white.
Devil's Door.
And why is it that it's like that?
I don't know, they said like there's some kind of myth like there are ghosts inside of that river, like in that river, and then a lot of people died like on that junction, that particular junction. That's why it's called Dwarksui.
Oh.
There's the cave also, there's an actual cave at an actual door that they call Dwarksui.
Okay.
No, this one.
So
Yeah, just follow me from
Yeah.
the
Okay. Khasi Orange is very good.
I'm going to try it.
Let me try.
Khasi Orange, like it's
Khasi
the best in the world, man.
That's what I have said. Cheers. I have said. Khasi Orange is the best. Let me try.
Very good.
Tasty.
Even the seeds taste good.
Yeah, tasty. You eat also the seeds?
No, we don't eat the seed, man.
Oh?
Do you eat?
It's okay if you eat.
He eat always all the seeds. He's
I love seeds.
He's that kind of guy. Black Barbarian.
Life comes from seeds. What did you say?
That's what.
Black Bolbaring?
Yeah, black Barbarian.
Yeah.
Black
He's
Barbarian.
He's a black Barbarian.
Like a warrior.
Warrior. Yes.
Like a warrior.
Wow. Look at this, man. My goodness. How beautiful is this? Guys.
The new name now is Paduk Bhoi.
Padu Poi.
Bhoi.
Poi.
Yeah.
Ah.
Way better na, like Paduk means like you are married like to the smallest of the family.
Yes.
Bhoi is like you are now in Bhoi, so Paduk Bhoi. And nowadays,
Padu Poi.
you know, like nowadays people here like they are calling you that Pareng Bolbaring.
Yes, I have many names. I have many names. That's what I have really.
Before it's like they don't know my name. Most of them like even though they know my name, but they just call me Bolbaring, nah?
Ah.
But since you came onto the scene, nobody is calling me Bolbaring anymore.
What do they call it?
From a banana tree.
Yes.
yeah.
Is this the heart of banana, basically?
Yeah, you can
Heart
say
of
that.
banana.
Oh, I see.
Could say like that.
And then we'll mix it with this one. And then we have some we call tung tap.
Tum tap. I know this tum tap is
It's
the
smelly, but like
smelly.
yeah, but then like
Me and tum tap, we are actually not friends.
We won't use
but
any
but
masalas.
but
No.
definitely we will eat tum tap.
this one.
This is tum tap.
This one. I brought it from home.
Okay, so this is tum tap.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tung tap fish.
And this is
Tung tap.
this is pepper, no?
Yeah, pepper.
Let me try for tum tap.
Yeah, you smell.
It is very different. It smells and tastes the same.
But this guy, I mean, like he's really like becoming like integrated and a part of that state and a part
Yes.
of a place like where it
Yes,
is,
of course. Yeah.
This guy went to the paddy field and cut.
That's what.
I mean, I don't do that usually. Like sometimes I used to do that, but this guy just went like with no experience, nothing. Man, he just went like this.
Like this. Like
I think by the next 5 years, his skin color also will.
Nice.
turn it like an Indian, definitely.
color,
Why not?
everything, yeah.
My heart is half of Indian, no doubt about that. Always remember firewood.
Fire bamboo. You're lucky because you're a cameraman.
yes, that's what. How you call that one in Khasi? That sword?
White bno. We call it here white bno.
White no. White no.
The way like we move our tongues and like pushes like our jawline when we speak. Like
Yes.
it's very similar. Even though the language is different, but it's like
There's
the way we
some
do that. Yeah.
similarities in how you pronounce the words. Kind of.
And for
That's
as a
very
Finnish man, the Khasi language is it's very it's not so suitable, but I'm practicing. That's the thing, I'm practicing.
You write it like
This is our plates, I think so, yeah. Plate, no?
There, like we can't just eat it like this. We have to put it in a fire so that it will burn all the, you know, like maybe there are some insects,
Yes,
maybe
yes,
bacteria.
yes.
Like we'll burn it and then after that we'll eat inside of this.
And this is great.
This rice you
great-
don't need to wash.
Oh.
This is not that white rice like that. This is actually local.
Local
rice.
rice.
Yeah.
Oh, local rice.
Yeah, you can eat it like that also. This one. It's
Only like this. Have some. One brother is making fire here for us, so we can cook nicely. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a life. This is a life, isn't it?
Yes,
It's life.
It is a life.
Yes, beautiful life.
Beautiful life.
We have also in Finland, we are like a forest guys. Maybe some of you think that I'm just sitting in the office and, you know, playing with the computer. We are also forest people. We are born in forest actually, for my culture. So we love this. You hear the sound of the river. You hear the fire cracking like you can smell the smoke. Then when you cook it, you cook rice, you cook chicken, whatever you cook. It's a different taste, different feeling when you eat in a jungle. And Khasi people are also, they love jungle, isn't it?
Yes, love jungle.
yeah, this one. My friend.
It's also very satisfying to see that one.
Yeah.
Look at it. So this how you put the rice in the bamboo. You put first the leaf inside, and then rice there. And it lasts nicely, right? In a fire.
Yeah.
Ah. local style.
Yeah.
So rice is cooking here nicely in a bamboo. This is how it looks.
Not from the market.
Nice. Look
Smell
at the
it,
color.
brother.
Look at the color of the turmeric. So this is gonna be one of the seasonings we're gonna use.
Smell it, brother. Smell it, how it smells.
Okay, feel me. Smell the.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's on. Let me smell the turmeric. This is a good. This is also medicine. This is really good. So as you can see, the oil is being.
This guy is always on my
Chicken.
way. Look at him. I'm happy now. Now I can freely do the vlogging because this Black Barbarian is in the another side. He's gonna miss this part, so I gonna have it. Oh, he's coming now. He's coming now. My goodness.
After everything,
Why is that?
he's helping me out. He's not trying to sabotage my video. Saki's turn. Okay, let's do this.
My goodness, this guy is always on my.
Always.
He's always on my way. Always, I'm doing
Always
a vlogging.
when I turn on the camera.
He's
right behind me with his camera. What's this? But you do not own the monopoly of vlogging here, so just make yourself used to that.
He's not even rapping, but he's actually dissing you. And
that's what. That's what.
This is the. You know what? You can feel my screen.
Oh yes! What a wait! This is a good idea.
Yeah, works perfect.
Biang.
Kawang.
Awang.
Bangawang.
Bangwawang.
Bangawang siya boy.
Bangwawang shiboy. Ripoy. Shingboy. Your hand need to be clean before you touch the food. So that's what we're gonna do because we have a fresh river here around Shillong side. Oh, how you wash your hands? You take the water like this nicely. Wrap it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done. Okay. Then we have here, come on, tum tap. So this is tum tap, called tum tap, nah? There is a salad, onion, tum tap. What else is there?
That's it. With
That's
salt.
with salt,
And turmeric.
turmeric,
And obviously chili.
and obviously
Mix
chili.
it properly, grind it, so that the tung tap, see, the tung tap.
You need to break it,
yeah,
right?
break the tung tap.
Oh, break it, the tum. Okay, I
Yeah,
got it.
yeah.
Okay, now I got it. So I get some restrictions.
Now you are 60% boy.
Aha,
After
yes.
breaking that, you know the technique and everything.
Wow.
Now you are 60% boy.
60%. How
60.
how does he get the rest?
By like he already went to the paddy field. He went to cut the rice. Now we have to go and like
So cutting the rice maybe gives him 20%.
yeah.
Marrying
Now
marrying a Mekalaya gives 20%, or is 40.
Yeah, and then this
Doing this is
Yeah.
60.
Wow.
now he needs to grow the paddy field again and put back the rice inside the paddy
Yes,
field.
yes. So you need to
Wow.
do some plantation
Yes.
to get maybe 70 from that.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you know what?
Driving a
grind it.
driving a auto,
He need to-
5%.
Yeah, 5%.
So you have
grind
70.
it more, grind it
But
more.
you know what is the thing? You know what is the thing?
What's the thing?
I have already planted the kwai.
What is your Khasi name?
Padu. His
Padu.
name is Padu. Padu boy.
Baduk Boy.
Padu. Padu is like a father, like
Yeah.
the smallest uncle.
Ah, I
Yeah,
see.
Padu boy.
Baduk Boy.
Padu poi.
Boy.
Padu poi.
We still need some practice with the
Yes.
pronunciation, but we're getting there.
We're getting there, so very soon we're gonna eat and taste this nice, beautiful local food here in Meghalaya. Yam.
A bit more.
Yes. Okay, gonna have a food here. Definitely. We are here in India, so we eat by the hands. I just put the salad, rice. Now I'm gonna go for tum tap. Tum tap here. I'm just gonna put it here because, like I say, I appreciate the tum tap, but we are not the best friends. We are basically like friends with tum tap that hi and bye. That is our relationship. Okay. Okay. So this is one. Just got one. Okay, and this is, I think it's chicken, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna reach here with the hands, put it here. So this is my meal. Let me try my first scoop. First you mix it nicely like this. More. Tumtap is still in the side.
Yeah.
We meet
But if you can't handle spice, man, if you mix it like that, trust me. I wanna watch your reaction.
No, I love spicy actually because my wife is she cook spicy food, so I'm used to it.
The rice is very raw, very dry.
Dry, na?
We should have put a lot of water in it.
Let's try this one now.
Still eatable. Wow. That tumtap. That tumtap hits you.
I just eat 5 chilies at the same time.
And I'm a Finnish guy.
Finnish guy.
Still managing.
Oh, yeah.
Tumtap.
Guang.
Amunick, are you okay?
I ate like 5 chilies
Amunick
at the
is
same time.
suffering. Amunick. Okay.
This is gonna be the greatest vlog in the time.
You know, off camera, this guy roasts me a lot. He actually puts me in open fire when the camera is not rolling.
I haven't recognized that one.
Of course.
But now I can feel it actually. It is hot. It is hot, but I love it. Let's put it more.
Not some water.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Butter is make it worse.
It's gonna
Should have
endure.
some milk.
Milk.